Today's I am is I am reaping the fruits of my labor. That was left in the comments. I am reaping the fruits of my labor. Are you reaping at least some fruits of your labor? My lip color is the liquid lip I got in my ice cream box a few months ago. When I first used it, it didn't dry at all. But today, when I put it, I took off the lip gloss that I had on first and put it, and it did dry. This is the color. The color is pretty and it is matte. So you put the color first, and if you want, you put a lip gloss over it. But I'm wearing it matte today. The palette I'm using is Deadly Rose by Clarity Cosmetics. I use two colors in there to create this quick and easy eyeshadow look. I use the black from my Carnival Pro palette to just darken out the corner, but this is the look. And the shade in my inner corner is all over my face. If you see speckles, it's from that. This is from the shade that got destroyed. There's still a little trace of it, so I just take and stick it in the inner part of my eye. But boy, I didn't use any glitter glue, and it is everywhere. So if you're using it, use glitter glue. This is it. This is the simple eye look for today. Until I see you and you see me, I pray that you're reaping the harvest of your labor. I hope you are reaping at least some of the harvest from your labor. Enjoy. Bye.